What's going on? Scott here from Underground Bicycle Collective, and we are going to remove this old chainstay protector. It is super chewed up, so I'll get you in on this. So as you can see, it's pretty much gone on this whole half of the chainstay, and the chainstay is getting chewed up. So there's still there's like half of it right here, and then most of it right here, but it's all like flaking off and it's all torn up. So if you're gonna remove your old chainstay protector, what you're gonna need is a heat gun like this, Goo Gone, and a hotel key card or old credit card or gift card. I'm using a old hotel key card as my scraper. And then of course you're gonna need a rag to wipe up the excess Goo Gone and get that elbow grease in there. So I'm gonna just move you in here, and then I'm gonna take the heat gun and heat up the old adhesive. All right, so we're gonna use the heat gun on the lowest setting first. That should be enough heat to melt this. So lowest setting is the 1. I'm gonna shift the chain out of the way. So I'm just gonna get the chain all into the largest cog in the rear. Okay, so chain's definitely out of the way now. Now we can go ahead and heat up this old chainstay guard. Just be careful around your tire, you don't want to pop your tube with the heat. So that should have heated it up enough, and then take your hotel key card or gift card. And, oh, look at how easy that's coming off. Heck yeah. It's just scraping right off. Look at that. That is so cool. I am so happy. I'm so happy with the results right now. Look at that. It's just like peeling off super easily. Look at that. Just cool beans, man. Highly recommend the heat gun. Look at that. Oh, so much better that that's off. Okay, so we got the majority of it off. Now this is where the Goo Gone comes in, and the hotel key card can also help as well. So just spray the chainstay down with the Goo Gone. Like so. And then use your hotel key card or gift card to just get the rest of it off. Like so. And then wipe off the excess. Like that. Just like that, our chainstay is nice and clean. Now we can install a new chainstay protector, and I hope this helped.